Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Here I am. I'm going to put in this diagnostic cartridge made by RETROREWIND. And, well, first I have to turn this off because you never, ever, ever stick a cartridge in with the computer on. And I'll turn it on and see what I get here. The main thing I want to do is check the SID chip and see if I have the one that's perfect or almost perfect. And I'm not sure if this is the right test, but anyway, this cartridge is a magical thing. One of the things will let you do 1541 things. The other ones are either dead tests or diagnostics. And I don't have my diagnostic harness. Maybe it's around. I don't know. The world of Commodore last year was crazy, and I don't know where I put stuff. I either have it here and I don't know, or I lost a whole lot of great diagnostic stuff. So this is going to run through its thing, and I think this is the one that does the filters test on the SID chip, but I don't remember. I just don't remember. But for me, the SID chip is quite fine. If it is the one, it just has a few little weird things. Just a few. Anyway, anyone who's been around a conference or a show would know the sound of, oh yeah, somebody's testing a 64, because there it is running through the things. It is. So let's see, soon the sound check thing should come up. It should. There we go. Okay, that was not the one I want. Okay, so I do want the dead test, but I have to press the reset button and flip the switch. I do. So this, oh yeah, this is the dead test. The RETROREWIND.CA, RETROREWIND.CA. They've got all kinds of great stuff. Ah, yes they do. But once again, we must wait for the testing to happen. We do. And then I'm going to figure out where to put things so I don't lose them. They've got all kinds of stuff here. Look, ElectroSolve contact cleaner for electronics. Kind of like other stuff that I use, but not really. Just a moment! Just a moment, I will be down. I'm in the midst of something here. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Do. Gotta hear the sound, hear the sound, hear the sound. That's what we gotta do. And here comes the sound. And if I hear it, it's funny, it's just like a little squeakiness. It means that this is the SID chip. Okay. This one is okay. It really is. It really is okay. Where did my little screwdriver go? Okay. Lovely. Okay, I'll turn this off. I'm going to pop out this SID chip. I'm going to pop this one in. Pins are good, everything's good, everything's fine. You know what I'm going to do just for fun? Because I can, and I'm here, and it won't make any difference. But I will take this pencil eraser and shine up the pins. I will, but it will make no difference. It will make no difference. Okay, check the witness mark. Make sure everything is lined up just so. Turn it on. Now it normally does take a little bit longer. There we go, for this test to come up, but it is worth the wait. It is. So we'll just give it a moment. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to find that this SID chip is just a little wonky. Just a little bit. And it's even hard to hear, but you know what? For most things, it would be fine. It would be just fine. It would be. All right, we're almost up to the sound check. You have to listen really carefully to hear the funny stuff. Really carefully. Here it comes. Well, that's weird. I don't think I heard the funny stuff. Well, you know what? I gotta go outside. So I think I'll stop this here and see what we can find later. We shall. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.